control robots by LORA communications. This is connected to USB port of computers. Receiver and transistor. Here another robot. LORA open terminal. Communication. Actually, LORA. And manage your device managers, and then go to comfort. In COM7 is in COM17 like that. Okay, save this, and then you just open comfort, and you can see data coming to terminal. Okay. Data from LORA, that is for testing data coming to LORA or not. Close terminal from here. On Python programs. Now Python program is already open, so YOLO I click sorry YOLO 11 application right now. This is MQTT class. I don't use this. I want to use COM7 and understand. If you don't know bias port, just click this port. COM7 is like that. COM7 is COM7 here, and click set. Now LORA is already set to COM7. Start LORA. Right now is there no data coming to your control panels. Just click here and select LORA. After that, you can see LORA communication data already coming here. QTT already connected. Okay. Now by LORA here. Not from MQTTs. LORA here. Sorry, this one is closed. Now I want to start robots by LORA. Actually, starting robot by LORA is not very easy, but let me try to data coming robots. Separate data on message. I will print message. Okay, now for MQTTs, I just set up LORA and click start. And when I click start, I can see data coming to the terminal. Wait, let's see what happens. I need data coming here. Sorry, because we enable data from some MQTTs, we don't just Control F, LORA, and LORA from here. This message okay. LORA print data. Okay, don't do that. What I'm doing is I want to start robots. I start robot by LORA, but it's not perfect. We need to start many times because transfer and receive at the same time. receive data easily. But you see, if we start robot press many times, it will start. Response of LoRa is not very good when it's only seeing data, but send and receive at the same time is not perfect. So LoRa communication is not easy to, like I open this report, can receive data easily, but receive and control at the same time is not good. So the speed of send and receive data is too fast, so that's why we cannot send data to LoRa. So it can receive easily. Increase. The receiver speed is too high, so that I cannot send data. So I need to reduce the frequencies of this data. I'm doing this, I need to increase this frequencies. All controls. Understand? So I need to create one option, LoRa for communications. Just receive or just control. Because in sending and receiving data, my frequency at the same time. So I only receive or only control. What I'm doing here